Preparing Xrefs and host drawings. Before we can begin the process of placing X references into our host drawing, we need to prepare that X reference drawing to make sure that everything is drawn at a reference point of 0, 0. That means that when we stack up all of our X reference drawings on top of each other, that everything's going to be in its proper place. So a lot of times we like to do is put like for example, a building. We'll put the lower left hand corner at 0, 0. That way when we go and put in our electrical and we place the corner of the building at 0, 0, the electrical line up with the walls of the building. And then the same thing with the mechanical, the HVAC. We'll place that drawing at 0, 0. And so when we stack the HVAC on top of the walls and the electrical, it all lines up with the corner of the building being at 0, 0. If we don't do that, we just get stuff floating out in space in all the different drawings and nothing looks right. So we either have to draw everything based on 0, 0, and that's ideally what we should do. But here's an example here where my 0, 0 is up here. You can see my X and Y is up here, and I wanted to put it down here at the lower left hand corner here. Well, I could move it all, but a better method is to come in here and do the base command, and I can redefine the reference point, what will be our 0, 0. So I type in base, and it says enter base point. Well, I'll just do a shift right click and I'll say intersection, and I'll grab right on the intersection of these two grid lines and I'll pick, and now my new 0, 0, when I go to insert this file in as an X reference, will be at that base point. The other thing we need to do is in our host file, our main file, we need to create a layer called Xref, or for an architectural, Ref, R-E-F-R. By having a layer, we can insert these files onto a layer, and we can control the entire X reference by that layer's property. So that is kind of crucial that we have a layer just for our X references, and we can freeze and thaw or turn on and off our X references as we like.